Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to hop on here and make a video to show you how to get through your assignments. This week is the first week of fourth quarter, and we're starting a new unit. The new unit will be force and motion. So I want to get into your Canvas modules and assignments and show you how to navigate through for the week so you know exactly what you need to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser and get into Canvas. Once you're in your home, you'll see it looks something like this. Where you want to go is into your assignments. I've created all of your assignments packed into one. It's called Week of April 6th through the 10th. So you want to click that and open it up. I'm going to leave Student View so that I can show you what it looks like. Here we go. So you will see everything is broken down into different days for the week. So the first thing, Monday and Tuesday, April 6th and 7th, you're going to do a Nearpod lesson. So I made the link. When you open it up, it'll be a Nearpod like we've done in class before, but instead of Ms. Dollins guiding it with the clicker, you will be able to pace it however you want. You'll put your name and hit join session, and then you'll see the Nearpod lesson is just there. There'll be interactives, there'll be things to read, and it's just like a normal Nearpod lesson that we would do. There is also a notes page that you need to open up and submit to me for a grade this week. So when you click the magnifying glass, all that's going to do is open it up within this page. But what you need to do is double click on it, and it will ask you how you want to save the file. You want to hit OK, and it'll give you several options right here of how you want to save it. You could save it on the desktop, as a document, a download. I'm going to keep it as a download. I'm just going to hit save. Once it's downloaded, I'll be able to open it up, and then you can type on it. I've asked you to type in blue or green font. So when you go here, you can change the color of font, and there's all kinds of different choices here. Just make sure it's something other than black, really. And then this is where you type. And you can erase these lines here or do whatever here. That's fine. I just kind of wanted to guide you. Once you're done, you'll hit File, Save As. And I'll just put that on the desktop and hit Save. So it's saved it. And then you'll be able to upload it here, okay? Now, if this is confusing to you, you can also take a picture of your work if you'd like, and you could send that by Remind or by email. So that's the lesson for Monday and Tuesday. For, this should say Wednesday and Thursday, I have a Newsela document. So you want to go ahead and open that up. And there is an article there for you to read. You want to read through the article, and when you're all done, you want to go right here in the right corner and click Activities. You want to go here in Science and take the quiz. And there is 4-question quiz here for you to take. The last thing is I've created a Kahoot for you to play on Friday. So you want to go ahead and click that. And there it is. You can enter by your first name and last initial. And you'll be able to play the game at your own speed, just like we would in class. And those are your assignments for this week. If at any time you have any questions, you can contact me through Remind. You can email me. My email is billy.dollins@browardschools.com. Or some of you may not realize this feature is here, but over on the left side of Canvas, and this is true for any teacher, you can click Inbox, And you can message your teachers right here. You can create a new message, type the teacher's name, type in Miss Lambidi. Oops, that's the subject line. Oh, this is just going to compose to someone else because it's from mine. But you can actually write a message here and send it. Okay? So if you have any troubles this week, please do not hesitate to contact me. I really miss you guys. I wish we were in the classroom. I wish we were doing hands-on experiments and fun things. But, you know, I'm just glad that everyone's safe and at home. And, you know, just try to stay well and try to practice social distancing. But don't hesitate to let me know if you need help. I look forward to seeing you hopefully sometime soon. I don't know when, but hopefully sometime soon. Take care. Goodbye.